What if I told you a simple powder sitting in your home could quietly protect your plants, push new growth, and even drive away those annoying soil flies? Start by gently loosening the top layer of soil. This helps roots breathe better and allows nutrients to move freely where the plant needs them most. Now take 1 spoon of garlic powder and sprinkle it evenly over the soil surface. Garlic is naturally rich in potassium and phosphorus, which support strong roots and healthy growth. It also contains natural compounds that fight harmful microbes and repel pests like midges hiding in the soil. Lightly mix the powder into the top layer. If you can, add a thin layer of fresh soil on top. This helps lock in the nutrients and slowly release them over time. Next, prepare a liquid feed. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder into 1 liter of warm water. This helps extract its nutrients and protective properties. Let it cool, then strain it well. Water your plants at the roots using this solution, but only on already moist soil. This prevents stress and helps better absorption. Plants like orchids, violets, and geraniums respond especially well, showing fuller leaves and more blooms. Use this once every 3 to 4 weeks for steady results. Give it a try and watch your plants grow stronger, healthier, and more vibrant.